Hey, welcome. Let's quickly dive into making this adjustable kaftan bubu dress. I use the cotton fabric. I don't know the exact name of the fabric, but it has a bit of a stretch. I also made a pant to go with the dress. It's a two-piece. I'm only focused on the dress. Watch all this tutorial on the screen to make the pant. You can download the pattern I used for the pant on one of my videos. Watch my recommended videos and check the description to download the pattern, or watch other of my videos to create the pattern from scratch. The pattern of the adjustable bubble dress would look like a rectangle. You cut your desired neck shape and the size of the kaftan dress. You can decide on whether you want a round neck or a V neckline. You get your dress width. I usually measure from my neck to my desired sleeve length and then the length of my dress. First, I folded my fabric in half. The half is my desired length, including seam allowance. Then I measured quarter of my dress width plus seam allowance, that is 28 inches, and folded to cut the fabric. Next, I cut open the folded part. Now I have two pieces, one for the front and the other for the back. Next, I carefully folded my fabric front and back together to cut out the neck. I wanted a high V neckline. I didn't want the neckline plunging. I measured 3.5 inches for the neck width and 1 inch for the back neck length. I cut out 1 inch for the shoulder length. My sleeve opening would be 9 inches. Next, I separated the two pieces to cut out the front V neckline. I cut additional 5 inches from the front neck, so it's in total the front neck is 9 inches. That's one for the back and the other for the front. Next, I cut open the center front. It's sewing time. First, I stitched the neck of the front and back kaftan pieces. I folded twice, pin and sew. Next, I joined the shoulder and side seams. I left about 9 inches space for the sleeve hole or the armhole. Next, I did an overhaul locking. I locked all rough edges, including the sleeves, the center front, and a hem. Next, I folded once and stitched. I also hemmed the kaftan, but before hemming the kaftan, I pinned the center front together to ensure that they are equal in length, so that you have your hem looking seamless and smooth. After checking if they are aligned, I went ahead to pin and stitch. Next, I stitched the center front. I left about 1 inch seam to create channel to insert the adjustable rib. After stitching the center front, I opened and stitched close the seam to create the channel for the rib. Next, I top stitch the shoulder seam down. You can either hand stitch. I don't like it bothering me, so I just top stitch to keep it flat. You can use any rope to create the adjustable rope or make one yourself. After creating my rope, I passed it through the channel. After that, I stitched the top to keep it from pulling out. So yeah, this is the last step. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not leave without subscribing and stay tuned for my next video. Bisous!